Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create folders in Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. After that, click at the plus at the top and click at the album. Now give it a name. Let's call it test. And right here you can select some photos, what you wanna add. You can also add some videos. And click add at the right top. And now we have this album. So you can find it if you go to collections, albums, and right here we have it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.